All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today I'm going to be showing you my new case that I bought. I got on Amazon, so I'm going to buy me a grippier case because I'm currently using Ringke cases on all of my devices. I just noticed that pretty much all of the Samsung devices, I should say. So obviously I grabbed the Ringke Onyx, and this is Ringke Onyx Camo Black. That is beautiful. Wow. I had no idea what to expect. This is gorgeous. Love the grip. So while this is not a heavy duty case, this case definitely will help with drops. It'll save your device from scratches and nicks, and it actually has corner protection on each one of the sides here. So I definitely had to grab this for the S24 Plus. I have it on the S24 Ultra that I'm recording with, and I also have it on the S23 Ultra as well. So I went with this camo color this time though, because I saw it online and I was like, wow, that's probably going to be really nice in person. And yes, it is. I'm probably going to go ahead and order one for my S24 Ultra as well. But you can see the camera cut out here, all the spaces here for the LED, and then the 3 slots. And you've got your volume and power here, a little bit of Ringke branding, if you can possibly see that right there. A lanyard spot, obviously people use lanyards still because they got them on both sides now. And then you've got on this side just smooth. It's just grip. This entire case is all grip, which is what I like about it. Now I'm currently using the Samsung official leather case here, and it's grippy, but nowhere near as grippy as something like this is going to be. Now I've already applied, clean the lenses off a little bit here. I've already applied the camera lenses because they do work with the Ringke cases. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I have the camera lenses on my S24 Ultra, and it's no problems whatsoever. And man, that is just the ultimate look here. That is just a beautiful, beautiful setup. So now with the camera lenses modules protections on here, it's actually flush. Like it's a little bit down, but it's basically flush. And then the camera LED monitor, LED flash is actually recessed there. So you can see here coming along the bottom, you can see all the ports are officially open there. You can see it's kind of smooth along this bottom portion, but it is super grippy along all these edges, folks. It feels really good. And on the top, it's got that same thing going on here. And make sure the 2 cutouts are there for you if you decide to go with this. I do have a tempered glass on here, but you still can see that this case has like this raised lip here and then here. So it's, if you can see it, the raise starts at about right here and it goes all the way up to the top. And then here it's like way down here and it's lifted up a little bit. So if you lay it down flat, the case is up off of the surface. The phone is up off of the surface. So that is a huge plus. And then the tempered glass is not a Ringke tempered glass, but when you put it on properly, it'll work. This case will work with any tempered glass. So there it is, man. I guess I'll try wireless charging for you guys. Let's get the wireless charger going here. This wireless charger always trolls me. It always does. There we go. I just got to get it in the right spot. So you can see wireless charging. It's wireless charging there. So yeah, man, I am excited about this case, man. I got this case. I ordered this case a little while ago. I just didn't have time to do a video for you guys. But this case, I'll leave a link to it down below. I think it's actually on sale right now, or 20 to 30% off or something like that. So I think I paid like 13 bucks for this. Again, I really like the official Samsung case, but I just want to switch it up every now and then. Oh, shaky cam. I just want to switch it up every now and then. And this case will probably be my primary case for quite some time. Because like I said, I actually have a Ringke Onyx on the phone I'm recording with, which is the S24 Ultra. And then also have a Ringke Onyx right here on the S23 Plus. So I'll more than likely probably go ahead and order this same case for the Ultra because it looks way better in person than a person could possibly believe, man. This thing is very, very nice. So there it is, man. The Ringke Onyx Camo, black camo. This is crazy nice. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.